Okay, hey guys. It's been a while. It's been a while. It's been a rough week. A lot of works. Okay, now I need to go fast because it is 8:30 on a Sunday. People still sleep. You guys can see the parking lot is full because people's not waking up yet. So my bike is pretty loud. To get going before I wake all the neighbor up, so they will be unhappy. Even though my bike is still have the original muffle on and just a slip on, but I live in a small neighborhood in a small alley, so the bike sound echoing around is pretty big, so I need to get that done. So it's a Sunday today and it's supposed to be 96 degrees, but it's still early in the day, so the sun decided not to wake up this early, but it should be around 96 97 degrees by this afternoon. So we have a pretty chilly morning. Sunday to me is it's kind of a sad day, you know, because tomorrow is Monday, you have to go to work again, and you already have a lot of stuff you need to do. And we have a big holiday coming. It actually is next week on Sunday as well. We have 4 day off. So next week is gonna be tough. It's gonna be a lot of work need to be done before we take the big holiday. We have a funeral here. Over here, we believe that when you go on the street and you see a funeral, it is lucky because the funeral take all the bad things away, so you get some more luck. And same things go for a wedding. So the weddings, there's a lot of lucky and happiness there. So they will take all your happiness. That's what we kind of believe here. Small things, but so over here we have the 13 stand, which is pretty popular, but it is getting a bit pricey though. So there's a lot of cars parked here because people are trying to get their bow from the famous guy. So for the average for price here is around 30 to 35K, so it's around $1.5. But 13 decided that my bow is gonna be $3. So the people was kind of upset about it, but you know, there's nothing they can do about it because. If you can't eat there, you can go somewhere else, but there's still a lot of people who want to spend their money on a go fur. I don't know if you guys can hear me more because I have a different mic set up right now. So I have two microphones. One is pointing at my mouth to catch the voice, and one is pointing backward to catch the bike sound. Hope it doesn't sound suck. And two microphones both connect to the GoPro. Yeah, just let your kids do whatever they want, honking the horn. I mean, like, so for today's ride, I'm gonna take you guys on Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, I guess. Can't remember the word. I think it is mausoleum. This is Hanoi Flag Tower, kind of a famous place here, tourist attraction. Okay, so you're on your phone, it doesn't care about the grid light. Stay there, right? The old man angry. Here we go. Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. There's a lot of tourists get inside and you know, to see Ho Chi Minh president. There. It's a pretty open area. Around here is all government buildings. You see these yellow thingy over here is like a barrier. Yeah, this thing right here. So it is pretty high security around here. All government buildings. So on the right here is Chuk Bạch Lake, and on the left there is West Lake, divided by this road, Thanh Niên Road. It used to be just one giant West Lake, but when this road happened, I guess, they divided to two. So the West Lake is the big one, and the Chuk Bạch Lake is the small one. It's not even green yet. Wow, 4 seconds. You can wait. Man, this bike is there's a lot of power here. That's what I'm trying to say. There's a lot of power here for me for riding, you know, city ride only. I'm in fourth gear, around 20 miles per hour, and it just goes, man. I mean, like, I don't have a lot of chance to sit on a lot of more powerful bike, but for me, man, this is more than enough. Okay, we're almost there. I think I'm gonna cut the clip here. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut the clip right here. So see you guys later.